Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to stop syncing profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. Let's start. At first you have to open the Instagram app. After that, tap on the profile of at the bottom of your screen, and then at the top right corner of your screen you guys can see the menu bar. Tap on here and then tap on settings and privacy. After that you guys can see account center at the top. Tap on here and then at the top you guys can see your profiles. Tap on here and then you guys can see your Facebook profile, which is right now syncing with your Instagram account. Tap on here and then at the bottom you guys can see your two profile, which one is your Facebook account and the other one is your Instagram account. You can just simply tap on any of them. For example, I'm gonna just tap on here and then you just have to turn it off. In that way it will stop syncing your profile info as well as your profile picture. Now tap on stop syncing. In that way you guys can also unsync your profile picture on Instagram with Facebook. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.